What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete search history on YouTube. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on your YouTube app. After going to your YouTube app, you have to go to your YouTube channel or your profile. You have to click on this option right here. After clicking on this, you have to click on the settings option in the top right corner like here. Okay, please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you, so that you can delete all your search history on YouTube. So after that, you have to go to on manage all history like this option. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you will land on this page like this. After that, you can see here is an option delete. You have to click on this delete option right here. After clicking on this, if you click on delete today option, YouTube will delete today's search history and watch history from your YouTube. If you want to delete a custom date range, like you have your Sunday to Monday or Sunday to Friday, like anything, you have to click on this and select the date that you want to delete the search history. And otherwise, if you want to delete all the search history and watching history from YouTube, you have to click on the delete all time option like here. If you click on this, YouTube will delete all the search history and watch history from your YouTube of all time. So this is how you can delete your YouTube search history. This is how easy that is. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.